Hi guys, today's video is going to be a lip swatch video. Yes, I recently got some lip products from Colourette Cosmetics, which is a local brand here in the Philippines, and I've been trying out their stuff for a couple of weeks now. They have such a good colour range in their collection, and they sent me about 10 lipsticks, a couple of liquid lipsticks and some lip glosses. Today I'm going to be swatching the lipsticks for you and sharing some of my thoughts. My favourite thing out of the products that they sent are definitely the lipsticks. They are marketed as a matte finish, but I personally think they have a satin kind of finish, and I love satin lipsticks. It looks good on everyone. It doesn't matter how old you are, how young you are, what size lips you have. It looks so good. Not only do they have pretty colour, they also have really good benefits. I think they've got vitamin C, they've got vitamin E, they've got hyaluronic acid, and I believe they've got avocado oil in this as well. So it's really nourishing on the lips. It's really comfortable and easy to wear. Colourette don't just have lipsticks, they have other things. They have eyebrow pencils, eyeliners, I think they have foundations, they have cheek tints. They've got so much stuff. This video is not sponsored by Colourette, but I really like the lady that I've been speaking with behind the scenes, so I just wanted to do a video. And I haven't actually seen many videos on swatches for this brand, so I thought I would do a quick video and show you what they look like with somebody of my skin tone. When I first got these, I did do stories on my Instagram, so if you're not following me there already, make sure you check that out. It is at @simsagoon. Yeah, let's start with the swatches.
Screenshot every text, I just wanna know what's next. I know you're looking at your phone, hoping that I'm on, 'cause I've been up waiting for this moment. Oh, for this moment, yeah. See, I've been just longing, decadently dreaming about you and me, about you and me. See, I've been just longing, decadently dreaming about you and me, about you and me. Right here in your eyes and this moment. See, I am just lonely, decadently dreaming about you and me, about you and me. See, I am just longing, decadently dreaming about you and me, about you and me.
Well, that concludes the video, guys. Let me know if you had a favorite in the comments down below, and if you've tried them, then let me know your thoughts on this brand. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you have any comments, concerns or queries, leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.